Good morning. So I'm in my backyard today and I would like to plant some seeds, but I need your help because I have 2 pots, okay? I'll show you them in a minute. And I have this one pack of seeds or this one set of seeds. And I want to make sure that I have the same amount of seeds in each pot. I want to make sure that I have a fair share in my 2 pots. So I want these seeds to be shared equally in my 2 pots. I need you to help me do that. Figure out, how can I share these seeds equally into the 2 pots? And we're going to start using this new word. The word is half. Help me figure out, how can I put half of this set of seeds in this pot and half of the set of seeds in this pot? We're going to do this together. So be thinking about it for just a minute. What should I do first to figure out how to share these seeds equally? Okay, so here's my set of seeds or my pack of seeds. And if you said I should probably dump them out and count them first, then kiss your brain. That's probably what I should do first before I start sharing equally between my 2 pots. So let's count my set of seeds. Let's see how many we have. Help me count. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My pack of seeds had 8 seeds in it. It's my set. My whole set of seeds is 8. I have a set of 8 seeds. And now I want to share them between my 2 pots, and I want to make sure it's a fair share. So let's see what I can do with that. Let's see, I'm just going to take a handful. And I'm going to put some here, and then I'm going to put the rest here. Oh, is that a fair share? Does that look like a fair share? Let's see. How many do I have in this pot? Yep, 1, 2. And let's see how many are in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does that look like a fair share? 2 here and 6 here? No, that's not a fair share. This pot would have more seeds, and this pot would have less. If I want to make sure that I'm fair sharing and I'm showing half, I want half the seeds in here and half in there, then these have to be the same. I have to share equally, or fair share. Let's take them back again and think about my strategy when we had the cookie story. Remember how we used that strategy to share equally? Okay? Whoops. We kind of did it like a pattern, didn't we? When we shared equally, we went from one to the other, to one, to the other, to one, to the other. So let's try that strategy. Let's see if that works with this. Here's my set of 8 seeds, and I want to share them all into 2 pots. Let's do it. 1 there, and 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there, 1 there. Hey, look what's gonna happen. And 1 there. Now, I don't have any more left in my set. This pot, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this pot has 1, 2, 3, 4. I shared equally. I used my whole set of 8, and this pot gets 4 seeds, and this pot gets 4 seeds. That's a fair share. That's half, isn't it? Let me get my word again. That's a fair share. We shared 8 seeds equally into 2 pots. So this pot has half the seeds from my set, and this pot has half the seeds from my set. That's our fair share. Now, let's pretend for a minute. We're going to switch things up a little bit. Let's pretend that I only have 6 seeds in my set. Let's change the number of my set. Let's say I have 6 seeds in my set. Okay? Let's double check. This is my new set of just 6 seeds. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I have a set of 6 seeds. Let me see. I'm going to just go ahead. Last time we had 4 in each, right? So let's try that again. There's 4 from my set of 6. Uh-oh. Look what I have left. I only have 2 left. Let's go ahead. Is that equal or fair? I have 4 here, but look, I only have how many here? Whoops. I only have 2 there. That's not a fair share, is it? So when I have 6 seeds instead of 8, I can't just put 4 again. I'm going to have to use my strategy so that I'm sure to share equally. Let's try it again. Okay, there's my 6 seeds all together in my new set of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's use our strategy, whoops, without them blowing away, and try to share them equally. What do you think it's going to be? How many will go in each pot if we're sharing equally? Let me try to get up here. How many will go in each pot if we're going to share these 6 seeds equally? Take a guess first. And now let's really share equally. Let's give 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. Look. We shared my whole set of 6 equally. 1, 2, 3 in this pot, and 1, 2, 3 in this pot. It's a fair share. They both have 3 in each pot. So we took my whole set of 6 and put half the seeds in here and half the seeds in here. That's a fair share. So that's our lesson on fair shares today. I want you thinking about it for the rest of this week and maybe just try exploring some things on your own. Fair share some seeds, fair share some potato chips, fair share some pennies. Just try a whole bunch of different ways. Share with your brother or your dad or your mom or your grandma, or even your dog or your goldfish. Just do a fair share. And remember, thinking about the word half. Half of a set.